To add an admin to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix dashboard. Next, navigate to Site Members, which is found under Tools and Settings. Click Invite People to start the invitation process. Enter the email address of the person you want to add, then select Admin from the Role drop-down menu. You can also add other roles like Editor or Contributor for different levels of access. The admin role provides extensive control over the site, including managing billing and domains, adding and editing collaborators, and accessing analytics. But they cannot delete the site or transfer ownership. Click Send Invitation to complete the process. The invitee will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation and access the Wix dashboard. Wix's system uses Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC, to manage permissions for effective team collaboration. The system includes several predefined roles. The owner has full control over the site. Admins can manage collaborators and billing but cannot delete the site. Editors handle content editing and SEO, while contributors have limited access to assigned areas. Permissions are tied to roles, but admins can fine-tune them. This allows restricting access, such as giving a contributor access only to specific blog posts, preventing unauthorized changes. For security, Wix has required two-factor authentication for all admin accounts since mid-2024, protecting against unauthorized access. Recent updates include granular permissions for e-commerce features, enabling admins to handle inventory without needing full site access, thus avoiding unauthorized changes. This system supports growing collaboration needs, with Wix seeing a 40% increase in multi-user sites in 2024, fueled by remote work trends.